If you created vision boards, set intentions, or written lists for your next chapter, but nothing has shifted yet, there is a reason. You see, most of us build visions with our thinking mind. We write the words, we imagine the future, and we try to force clarity. Yet the moment that changes our lives comes from a much deeper place. They come when the vision lives in your body, not just in your head. I'm Shelley J. Whitehead, and I've spent decades helping people create relationships that feel nourishing and alive. One of the most powerful tools I use personally and with my clients is a daily vision practice that engages your whole self, so the life and love you're longing for has somewhere to land. Now, I'm teaching a free workshop where I'll guide you through the exact process that I use. It's powerful and surprisingly clarifying. Whether you're looking for a relationship, healing from the past, or choosing a new direction, this practice gives you a vision that you can actually grow into. Click the link, sign up, and come and join us. You'll leave with something that feels alive in you, not just words on a page or images on a board. I'd love to share this with you.